Has this ever happened to you? Wish you had another hand as you juggle everything to try and get through the door? Well, what if your door knew you were coming? Well, now it can. After years of research and development, your door not only knows you are coming, but will open for you every time. No more trying to juggle. AutoSlide's revolutionary new automatic home door system means you can have hassle-free access to enter and exit your home. This affordable do-it-yourself system can be fitted to most existing free-running manual sliding doors. Anyone can have the AutoSlide up and running in a matter of minutes. All you need is an electrical outlet. Using advanced designed active infrared laser sensors, the door will only open when you require access to the door. The sensors can be adjusted for different heights, stopping young children from going outside. With the added safety feature of only closing again once you have cleared the door opening. If the door starts closing and you happen to step in front of it, the auto reverse feature will reopen the door. The doors will make life so much simpler, not just for you, but also for your pets. With special sensors for pets, your door knows when your pet is coming and going, and will let them in or out each time. You can program the door to only open the required width according to your pet's size. No more special pet doors, or having to get up each time your pet wants to go out or come in. AutoSlide is an excellent solution for the elderly and physically challenged, providing hands-free and effort-free access. No more yells of "close the door!" Now the door closes every time and saves on your power bills. In the heat of summer, a door left open means your air conditioning has to work that much harder. But AutoSlide keeps the heat out and the cool in. If you want the air but not the flies and mosquitoes, AutoSlide is perfect for the sliding screen door. Being able to automate your sliding screen door means fewer flies and other insects in the house. AutoSlide can also be added to internal sliding doors, like in the master bathroom. Bringing the shopping in from the car is no longer a struggle, as the internal sliding door knows you are coming. The perfect solution when guests are around. No more closing doors left open because they are closing themselves. What if the door knew you were coming? Now it does. AutoSlide. The future is here.